Morning, guys. It's Sunday, about 7 o'clock right now. Actually, just waiting for Johnny Sendit to show up, and then we're going to start headed towards the track. We got to get some fuel, and we'll be on our way shortly here. Weather looks kind of for today. I don't think it's supposed to be very warm, but make the best of it. Tell them about the old Island Dragway here, Johnny.
Island Dragway here has been around since about the they used to race dinosaurs here. My old man raced here. It's down this crap back road. You're going past sod farms and junk, just heading into the woods basically. And you come out to this rinky-dinky drag strip. Let me tell you, they have some of the best track prep on a test and tune night. You know, run anything here, just as long as you got your leathers on. I've seen
if they let you run, they let anything run.
Yeah. They say, how fast are you going? I'm like, I have 14s. They're like, all right, see you later, kid. But I've seen guys race snowmobiles here.
Oh, really?
Banshees. I saw that one Banshee run the one time. It was like a 10-second quarter. It was ridiculous. But yeah, this is the good old homebrew test and tune over here.
You guys will see.
Love it. What do you think about today, Greg?
Woo! I took my seatbelt off. I was wearing it when I was driving. Don't say anything. We are now not on a public road.
The channel's gonna eat that up. They tear you to pieces, Greg. You should just like wear your seatbelt once in a blue moon.
I was wearing it.
I know. I seen it. I'll vouch for him. You're definitely wearing it when we passed the cops.
Passed about 4 cops. Didn't even get pulled over. Well, boys, we made it here. Time to unload this hog. We have the meats.
Arby's. I just saw that commercial. It made me think of you saying that.
That's what it's from.
Yeah, well, I didn't know. I just got a cable.
Oh, would you say you just have cable?
Yeah, I just got it.
You can see that we do have some slight movement here. Get some old screws, screw them in. She spit all over the hood. That nice paint job. What are you gonna do? You gonna tighten them down a little more?
No, one of the top from gas is a little muffled up.
Oh. Wouldn't be Johnny Sendit if we weren't working on the track side.
That's why I bring my tools. Got it.
Johnny leaks.
Shut up. I'm tired of your shit, Greg. Poop. I'm tired of your poop.
What? Just a little friendly ragging. Man. Sorry.
Tired of having everything that I have freaking leak. This was the one truck that didn't leak for the longest time.
Johnny feelings over here. Wow.
Sensitive. I'm sensitive,
Man.
Greg. You're rubbing off on me.
Somebody didn't get enough hours of sleep here or something.
I didn't. I was too excited.
I think actually the weather, once it becomes a little sunny, I think that's going to brighten up old Johnny mood here.
Yeah. I'm stressed. I'm a little stressed. Just want to make a good.
I think this is my first time in the scrap truck.
Too bad we can't make a pass with you in it.
What an honor. Well, here we are, old friend. The good old tech line.
My favorite part of the day. Are we gonna get allowed to run, or are we not?
We need a green Sharpie to change the yellow and the red all to green.
All the green.
All
yeah.
green.
It's all green.
All
maybe,
green.
Maybe 2000 maybe should say like
one
yellow.
red line. One
Yellow.
red line.
A yellow. Mannequin challenge.
All right, who's doing the rain dance?
That's already raining over there. Man, it's pouring over there.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Shit, Bobby. Dude, we're gonna have to put all that shit in the back of your truck. Poop. All that poop in the back of your truck. Balls.
Oh.
Thanks, Island.
No boost here. Hello? Yes, it is now raining here. Yep. Yeah, I think it's gonna pass. It looks like it's clear, but don't know yet. No, we were just in line to tech.
What?
Then it started coming down. We're doing old Johnny flip down stack to keep the rain out of the Turbski. What are you thinking? You gonna wait it out, or what? What are you doing? Yeah, just I don't know. Maybe just chill at the house and we'll see how it goes. Your wipers still work? Oh, look at that!
I got a multi-function switch that works.
This guy's like, you're really gonna make me get out in the rain, you son of a...
Okay. I don't know. We'll see. I always have an issue with the
Yeah.
You got it?
14 orders.
Okay. Drive shift?
No.
Why not?
Not yet.
What do you do? Look, sit down and stand up.
Sit down, stand up, everything. Drive.
Drive shift. Car, you sit down.
Yeah, that'd be great. I don't want to be standing up anymore.
Guys, like, once you put the switch on, you need the drive shift.
Okay. Yeah, we're not racing.
Oh no! Well, boys, I don't think it's good news. I think they just closed the track.
I don't even want to talk right now.
Tell us how you feel, John.
I barely passed technically.
No racing today. I guess we'll go home and put a drive shaft loop on it.
Yeah, I mean, I got everything to make one, so.
Oh, I got a water spot. Oh, we got lots of water spots.
Next to the hot dog truck. Hot dog.
All right, you gonna go ask if we can do one?
I don't know.
Oh, Jim,
Might as well find somebody.
see if they let old Johnny Sendit do a burnout. And if they say no, we're still gonna do one. Maybe.
We'll do it right on your trailer.
Oh, whoa,
Right on the
whoa,
steel.
easy on the varnish here.
Just wrap it down.
Oh yes, yeah, right on the steel pads here, till it flies off. What? How do we feel?
Upset, as always.
Johnny didn't get to go down the track.
It's always been there.
Leave your truck at Greg's house one day. He's got the Sawzall to her.
Because it sucked. What? What'd you do?
What?
What did we do?
I cut this.
Oh, cool.
And I zip tied your wiring for you.
Oh, boy.
Oh boy. Gotta put my glove on over here.
No love without the glove, Greg.
Get out of there! Hey, I got it. Flip me up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Grab the go-go juice. Give her the old sniff sniff. No boost. Everybody was asking where you were.
Yeah?
On your way.
On my way.
Thing sounds so
mean.
yeah, I think the first gen needs to sound like that.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what it needs.
I think we're gonna go order that kit right now. So before everybody has a heart attack, we know that every truck can do a burnout in the rain.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we know that.
Every truck's a 600 horsepower truck.
Every truck's got 1,000 horse in the rain. We know that. We're just having to have some fun here, seeing that our rain date was a bust here. I almost just crashed the drone.
Packing her in. Toolbox open and all. Do you need any new britches there, bud?
Nah, it wasn't that bad. It's not something I haven't done before, let's be real.
In Mexico, obviously.
Right, this is all done in Mexico.
No, I think one of the brakes got a little hot. And released because I started fighting it. And I'm like, it's usually going straight. Oh boy, we're gone. And
Oh, would you look at that?
And wheel speed and sideways.
Johnny, where have you been today?
Oh no.
Yeah, rip Greg's driveway.
Dunk.
Rip Greg's driveway.
Bonk. It's the Sendit snail trail.
Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye. As you guys may or may not probably already see, that the weather is still crap. It's raining on and off here, so that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. We're just going to go inside, hang out, chill for the rest of the day. So please hit that like button before you leave, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow.